Here's the newest addition to our used inventory. Got a 2015 Sportster 48. It's got a wrapped Bassani Road Rage exhaust. These straight chiseled bars. It's custom Harley-Davidson grips. Got small LED turn signals. It's got the Screamin Eagle air intake. Very clean Sportster here. Got the low profile gas cap. Does have 8,360 miles. Now the wrapped exhausts, most say, do protect you from the heat. So if your leg does happen to graze up against it, it's not too detrimental. Just give it a second, I'll show you on the flip side. The mirrors mounted to the bottom, easier to see underneath your shoulder, everything going on behind you. Got the Brembo brake calipers, custom Harley-Davidson cover here, transmission. 48's an awesome bike. It's got that bobber style. Come check it out while it's here.